Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Gardners Falls near Maleny in the Sunshine Coast.
Gardners Falls is a lovely waterfall and swimming hole located near Maleny in the Sunshine Coast Hinterland.
Located 5 kilometres from Maleny, at the end of Obi Lane South, you'll find the car park and the start of the short easy walk to the falls.
From the car park, it is a short flat walk to the first falls along a well-maintained pathway. This shady walk is surrounded by lush natural forest and brings you to 2 smaller waterfalls and waterholes along the Obi Obi Creek.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
Along the path are many small, shallow freshwater pools, ideal for paddling in the cool, refreshing water surrounded by grassy banks and native forests.
The first waterfall is formed where the water from Obi Obi Creek cascades over the rocky ledge into a small waterhole. You then continue on the pathway to the second fall. This one is slightly larger, cascading 5 metres over the rocky ledge and into a large waterhole.
The waterhole is quite deep and is a popular swimming spot for locals and visitors alike.
The total walking distance to see both falls is 600 metres return. Near the small car park area is a toilet and several picnic tables.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to wander at wanderexplorediscover.com.